What's good, dreadheads? It's that guy. It's not Locks. It's not Nation. It's early in the morning today. I've been trying to give you guys a dreadlock morning routine. Then I think to myself, there's not really too much I do in the morning with my dreadlocks. So it's going to be a pretty boring video, but I'm going to make it for you anyways. But today I'm actually looking at some more Freeform Locs, and it's been about a year since I did an update on my favorite freeformer, Freeform Prophet. He did send me some videos to react to in terms of his dreadlocks. Let's check out what his locks are looking like today. Man's gone through a crazy dreadlock transformation. Sick. So what am I seeing here? His locks looking mad thick. They've dropped quite a bit. What's new is the jewelry and the accessories that he's added. Yeah, he's got these dreadlock wraps. They're almost like beaded wraps wrapped around that lock. Check out the ends. The fingers have kind of molded together to create these big congos. And his locks are actually super light in color now. Quite the sun bleach that's happened to them. If you remember these, they used to stand straight up on top of his head, and he actually went through the separation process to get them like this. It's really cool to see how much separation really works. If you have like a plica, or you just have dreadlocks that stand up, or one big dread, you can take the scissors to them, or just take your fists to them and separate them to really change the look of your lock. So don't ever think that because you're going freeform, just because you're going freeform, let's not believe that whatever look that is attained naturally is the way that you have to settle with it. If your hair clumps and congos up in positions that you don't like, you can separate it and it will drop. It will change the look and the appearance of it without actually manipulating the new growth that's coming in. So keep that in mind. I like the way that Freeform here is, or Prophet here, is wrapping up his locks. Definitely some cool vibes going on there with that. Very interesting glasses that he's got going on there too. He's just vibing out. Pretty sure that's his tune playing in the background. But yeah, the locks are looking fire. I'm happy to have seen a little update on these today.
I've been sipping purple with the pills, make me grip my nuts. Rob on the Zan, he forget that he a track star. Know just who I am, off the drugs, nigga, act the part. I just ate a handful of beans, I feel like a star. Take me to the gods of the Giants, fuck a New York. I should move to Cali with the demons, that's a press start. Won't pass, go, verse, roll, I won't boardwalk. She gon' show her toes on the beach, I bought San Ho. She gon' blow my lady with the tongues and Geronimo. I've been scalping bitches, getting head while the horses grow. She can't make me crash, but I'm swerving like a sleepy truck.
Nice. If I were to add any value to this video, Freeform Locs is a process. In order to attain luscious, thick, long freeform locks, it's gonna take you years to get there. So let's just remember to not rush anything. There is no rush in life. It only creates anxiety and stress and worry when we try to rush a process. So it's really important to just remember to embrace the journey that we're going through and to appreciate all the tiny accomplishments and milestones along the way. Let's say 1 month your locks are sticking up more than the next month, celebrate that, because it's not gonna last forever. They will eventually drop, so we just gotta stay patient. That's really it. I don't really have much more to say except for just stay patient with Freeform Locs. That's what we're here to really do. and of course to stay inspired, to stay dedicated, stay committed to the community, to each other, to ourselves, to God. And that's about it. It's living our best life. I'll leave you guys with a question for today. I want to ask you guys, who is your favorite freeform locks that you've seen online or in person or anywhere? Who is it that really inspires you when you see some freeform locks, that gives you that confidence to be like, yeah, I'm going to continue for another 5 years. I got this. I want to know in the comments down below. And that's about it. So shout outs Freeform Prophet. Shout out to everybody out here watching the videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Easy peasy. I'm gone. Adios.